Hey tool enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're revealing 20 EDC gear and gadgets that are redefining everyday carry in 2026. Forget the bulky, heavy tools of the past, we're diving into minimalist pocket gadgets and titanium essentials that are actually worth the wait. Whether you're an urban explorer or a tech enthusiast, these are the best EDC gadgets to level up your 2026 pocket dump. We've curated everything from the brightest micro flashlights to smart multi-tools you didn't know existed. Stick around for our top pick because it's the most versatile piece of survival gear I've ever tested. Let's upgrade your carry.
Traditional belts are often outdated, offering little beyond basic functionality. The Westwell modern tool belts redefine utility and style with a modular, adaptable design that moves seamlessly with you. Crafted for the modern professional and everyday adventurer, these belts integrate magnetic, quick-locking mechanisms, making tool access effortless while maintaining a sleek, minimalist aesthetic. The Voyager model features interchangeable tools, including Phillips and flathead drivers, wrenches, and bottle openers, discreetly designed into the buckle. The Clicker model, a more streamlined option, offers flexibility and ease of movement. Whether for work, travel, or daily wear, these versatile, high-quality belts blend innovation, durability, and style, ensuring practicality without sacrificing elegance. Sometimes we all need a practical tool that combines convenience and style. Meet the BitBuckle belt, the ultimate concealed carry utility knife and tool set for everyday carry, offering a sleek and versatile solution. Featuring a securely locked utility blade and a high-torque hex driver, it can easily convert into a screwdriver for various tasks. The compact design stores bits within the buckle, easily accessible with a simple push, making it ideal for quick fixes or outdoor adventures. Constructed from durable CNC machined T6 aluminum, it ensures strength, lightweight portability, and sleek aesthetics. The BitBuckle's magnets keep everything in place, allowing for fast, reliable deployment with ease. With both utility and style, it's a must-have for everyday situations. Keeping your beauty essentials organized and accessible can be a challenge, especially on the go. Introducing the Tinbo Beauty Care Toolkit, a compact, customizable, and stylish solution that combines your must-have tools in a modular, magnetic design. Featuring refillable dental floss, a reusable cotton swab, a soft massage brush, hidden hair ties, and a dual-sided compact mirror. This innovative toolkit reduces clutter while ensuring you always have what you need. Its sleek, portable size fits effortlessly into any bag, making it ideal for travel, daily use, and special occasions. With sustainable materials and a personalized color selection, Tinbo is the perfect blend of functionality, elegance, and eco-conscious design. Achieving a clean, smooth shave on the go has never been easier. The ZERA shaver combines advanced shaving technology with a portable design, offering a flawless grooming experience wherever you are. With a powerful 8,000 RPM motor and a lightweight, pocket-sized build, it provides a superior shave without irritation. The shaver is IPX7 waterproof, allowing for both wet and dry shaving, while the easy magnetic swap feature ensures hassle-free maintenance. It also includes a travel lock, USB-C fast charging, and a quiet 30 decibels operation. Perfect for any traveler, ZERA ensures you stay confidently groomed with a smooth, irritation-free shave anytime, anywhere. In everyday life and outdoor adventures, having a versatile and reliable tool can be essential for convenience and safety. The XYEAN multifunctional EDC tool combines 6 practical functions into a compact, durable, and easy-to-use design. Equipped with a trapezoid blade, horn knife blades, a shovel blade, a bottle opener, a window breaker, and a carabiner, this tool is perfect for camping, hiking, climbing, and emergencies. Designed by the XYEAN team, it reflects their commitment to functionality and durability. Whether you need to cut, pry, break, or secure gear, this lightweight yet rugged tool ensures you're always prepared, making it a must-have for EDC enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers. Maintaining reliable connections for your iPhone or iPad is essential for seamless performance. Introducing the PurePort Essential Cleaning Multitool, a unique solution designed to keep your Apple devices functioning flawlessly. It features 7 special tools to tackle common connection issues. The first 4 tools clean debris from your Lightning port, even in hard-to-reach places, while repairing delicate electrical contacts. It also revives and cleans faulty cables, reducing oxide damage and restoring connectivity. Additionally, a mini brush clears lint from your speakers, microphone, and switches, and a microfiber cloth ensures your device stays spotless. PurePort is the ultimate cleaning tool, preventing issues and maintaining performance year-round. For everyday cutting tasks, having a compact yet durable tool is essential for convenience and efficiency. The Titanium EDC box cutter, also known as the Shrike, is a precision-machined cutting tool designed for both aesthetics and utility. Crafted from grade 5 titanium with an M390 steel blade or an aluminum handle with a chromium steel blade, this mini-sized yet powerful cutter ensures razor-sharp performance and long-lasting durability. Its lightweight, pocket-sized design makes it easy to carry as a necklace, keychain, or belt accessory. Built with the tightest tolerances, the Shrike is perfect for daily tasks, opening packages, and precision cutting, making it an ideal EDC companion. Everyday tasks and outdoor adventures often require a reliable, compact tool. Introducing the Disc MultiGear Pocket Multi-Tool, the perfect solution, offering a variety of essential functions in one small portable device. With over 14 tools, including multi-wrenches, a slotted head driver, a can opener, a bottle opener, a pry bar, a wire stripper, a nail remover, a drill guide, and a bike spoke wrench, it covers all your needs. Made from durable grade 5 titanium, it's lightweight, tech-friendly, and TSA compliant, making it easy to carry on your travels. Whether you're at home, on a mountain bike, or snowboarding, the MultiGear ensures you're always prepared for any task. Plus, it comes with a convenient keyring holder for easy access. In dark environments or emergencies, having a powerful and reliable light source is essential. Introducing the NITECORE MT2 A-Pro flashlight, a compact yet high-performance EDC flashlight designed for outdoor adventures, everyday carry, and emergency preparedness. It features the NightLab UHI-20 LED, which delivers ultra-high intensity and an impressive 1000 lumen output, illuminating distances up to 255 meters. Compatible with 2 AA batteries, or the NL1416R rechargeable battery, it provides versatile power options. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to carry in a pocket, sling bag, or travel kit. Whether for hiking, pet walking, or daily tasks, this flashlight offers exceptional brightness and durability for any situation. In today's fast-paced mobile world, managing multiple devices and staying productive can be a challenge. Meet the Westwell Cyberize One adapter, the ultimate solution for digital nomads and professionals on the move. This all-in-one device combines 65-watt PD charging, 4K docking capabilities, and a USB-A and USB-C hub, allowing seamless connection to all your devices. With built-in 1TB SSD storage and a 550 MBs read-write speed, it offers both backup and expansion without the need for extra hubs. Its compact design makes it easy to grab and go, ensuring you stay productive wherever you are, coffee shops, co-working spaces, or during a workcation. A reliable everyday carry knife is essential for tackling both small tasks and tough jobs with ease. Meet the Dervish Wyrm EDC knife, a compact yet powerful blade that offers versatility, durability, and precision cutting. Crafted from AEBL steel, a fine-grained stainless material used in high-end razors, it ensures excellent sharpness and edge retention. Designed for a controlled and comfortable grip, it's perfect for front pocket carry, no clip necessary. Whether you're peeling apples, opening boxes, sharpening pastels, or cleaning trout, this EDC knife is built for urban and outdoor use. The blue anodized finish enhances both durability and aesthetics, making it an essential tool for everyday tasks. Compact, efficient, and user-friendly solutions for on-the-go bike repairs are essential for every cyclist. Introducing the Daysaver Incredible Pump, a game-changing tool designed for MTB and gravel riders. This pump combines superior usability, innovative design, and unmatched performance. Featuring an integrated handle and optional pump hose, it ensures smooth operation without pinching fingers or unscrewing valve cores. With a choice of 40 ccm or 80 ccm configurations, it delivers optimal air volume for quick inflation. The pump's unique ability to house one or two incredible tools inside adds unparalleled convenience, keeping all essentials at your fingertips. Compact, durable, and thoughtfully engineered, this is where functionality, usability, and design unite to elevate your cycling experience. A slim and functional pen is essential for capturing ideas, notes, and goals anytime, anywhere. Introducing the Micro Carry Needle Pen, a high-end everyday carry notebook pen designed for minimalism and convenience. With a super slim profile, it seamlessly fits into journals, diaries, or pockets without adding bulk. Its custom mechanism ensures a fast and easy refill change, accepting any D1 refill from any brand. Built for daily use, its sharp, needle-like design embodies tactical elegance while maintaining effortless portability. Its Type 1 black paracord attachment allows it to be secured to zippers or bags for quick access, making it a perfect EDC writing tool for any situation. Everyday tasks and unexpected challenges demand a compact, versatile, and reliable tool that's always within reach. Introducing the Covert Bat Tritool, a multifaceted, pocket-sized powerhouse designed for everyday carry. Measuring just 2 inches per side, this durable tool is streamlined for functionality without moving parts, ensuring safety and simplicity. Whether you need to open, tighten, pierce, pop, scrape, signal, slice, turn, or hang, the Tri-Tool has you covered. Its sleek, highly efficient design makes it the ideal companion for travel, daily tasks, or emergencies. Compact yet immensely capable, the Tri-Tool is a testament to doing more with less, an essential addition to your EDC gear that's as practical as it is stylish. Keeping your keys organized while carrying essential tools should be effortless and compact. Introducing the KEYANCHOR, the smallest EDC multi-tool, designed as a universal micro-key organizer with multifunctional capabilities. Crafted from grade 5 titanium, it is super lightweight, incredibly strong, and virtually silent thanks to its silencing spring. With a 25mm split ring, it seamlessly holds and organizes daily keys while discreetly housing a bottle opener, pry bar, flathead screwdriver, and box opener. Its minimalist CNC machine design conceals it until needed, making it the perfect blend of practicality and innovation. The KEYANCHOR ensures that finding the right key is fast and effortless, while also serving as a reliable everyday tool. Capturing stunning time lapses should be simple, portable, and accessible to everyone, no matter their skill level or equipment. Introducing the Overlab Hoby tool, a universal and adjustable solution for creating breathtaking time-lapse videos with any smartphone. This portable device is designed for ease of use, featuring a built-in kitchen timer as its base, eliminating the need for batteries or recharging. Hoby allows users to choose between fixed or 360-degree moving perspectives, empowering creativity with minimal setup. Compact enough for daily carry, it avoids the need for bulky tripods while delivering professional results. Sustainable and thoughtfully designed, its durable components ensure long-lasting use, giving a new life to a classic kitchen tool in a modern, innovative way. Enhancing your workout should be effortless, whether you're at home, in the gym, or on the go. Meet the Bala Bangles, the world's first wearable weights, designed to increase heart rate, burn fat, and build muscle during activities like yoga, running, cycling, and hiking. Unlike traditional dumbbells, these one-size-fits-all weights provide constant, hands-free resistance without restricting movement. Crafted with a cast iron core and wrapped in medical-grade silicone, they ensure comfort and durability. An athletic elastic band secures them to wrists or ankles, making them versatile for both men and women. Sleek, stylish, and effective, Bala Bangles are the perfect fitness companion, seamlessly blending function with fashion. Lighting tasks should be safe, versatile, and convenient, but traditional lighters often fall short of these expectations. Introducing the DISSIM Inverted Lighter, the world's first lighter designed for both upright and inverted use. Featuring a patent-pending circle grip, It offers exceptional ergonomics and control in any orientation. Its angled flame port ensures precise flame direction, reducing the risk of burns, while the low-temperature candle flame provides added safety. Refillable with a durable butane tank, it's an eco-friendly alternative to disposable lighters. A flame adjustment wheel allows for easy customization of flame height, making it ideal for various needs. Built with attention to detail and backed by a lifetime warranty, this innovative lighter redefines convenience and usability. When adventure or emergency strike, the right tools can make all the difference. Introducing the Aspect Design Multifunctional EDC tool, a 10-in-1 compact solution perfect for hiking, camping, backpacking, and daily tasks. Crafted for versatility and durability, it features M3 Allen keys, a bottle opener, a car spoke wrench, a nail puller, a utility knife, a slotted screwdriver, a seatbelt cutter, a whistle, a survival hammer, and a key ring. Designed for easy everyday carry, this lightweight yet powerful tool ensures quick fixes, emergency preparedness, and outdoor convenience. Whether for daily maintenance or survival situations, this multifunctional EDC tool is a must-have companion. In a world where hygiene is a priority, having a reliable sterilization solution is more important than ever. Introducing the Uster UV Sterilizer Lite, a portable mini UV cleanser designed to keep your belongings germ-free anywhere you go. Equipped with 16 powerful UVC and UVA lights, this deep cleaning wand effectively sterilizes surfaces like computers, cups, face masks, sofas, and more. Compact and versatile, it can be handheld, stood upright, or hung for effortless cleaning. The Auto Sterilize mode ensures convenience, while its smart safety feature automatically turns off the lights when flipped to protect your eyes. Perfect for travel, home, or hotels, the Uster UV Sterilizer Lite ensures cleanliness and peace of mind, anytime, anywhere.
That's the 2026 lineup. Which of these EDC essentials is a must-have for your kit? Drop a comment below. We want to see your setup. If you're ready to stay ahead of the gear curve, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2026 tech reviews. You can find links to all the top-rated EDC gear in the description box. Stay ready, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next one.